Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource, and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy J7 so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked Galaxy J7 and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier from any country. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is the unlockingcompany.com because they're the cheapest prices online, and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to the unlockingcompany.com, select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list, and on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is T-Mobile. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. So once you have that, go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and proceed to the final page where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest price online with the fastest delivery times. So once you receive your unlock code from the unlocking company, it's time to unlock your phone. Go ahead and pop open the back cover and remove the battery to gain access to the SIM tray. Then go ahead and put in the SIM card you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the Galaxy J7 with my AT&T network, so I'm putting in my AT&T SIM card. Once the SIM card is inside the phone, go ahead and put back the battery and the back plate and boot up your device. Once the phone boots up, it will take you to the SIM unlock page, and this is where you input the code that you received from the unlocking company. After putting in the code and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful and the phone will take you straight to the home screen and your phone becomes permanently unlocked. Please note that some newer devices locked to US carriers are now remotely unlocked, so if it doesn't prompt for a code, then don't worry because they can still unlock it no problem. So that's how you unlock your Galaxy J7 for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.